Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys are watching the 3D Engineer. Here I am bringing you guys a special miniature siren sound off video. Today is August 12th, 2026, and, well, to most people that's not a particularly special day, but to a lot of siren enthusiasts it is, because it is 8/12 day. It's 8/12 port day. And so to celebrate, I have two of my 8/12 port sirens here. I have my 8th scale miniature Federal Signal 500 DHTT. This is 8/12 port. Here's the 12 port side of the siren there. Here's the 8 port side. And of course here's the Cyclone, which is obviously 8/12 port. You can see the 8 port section of the stator there and the 12 port right there. This video is just a test to celebrate 8/12 day, but if you guys want to see overviews of each of these sirens, I have videos for each of them on my channel if you guys are interested. These sirens are also available to 3D print for free on Tinkercad. Links in the description if you guys are interested. Alright, we are now ready for testing. Now I will warn you, the DHTT has a much slower wind down than the Cyclone because, well, the Cyclone has a very heavy rotor, and the DHTT has a rotor with a tighter shaft, and it's dual rotor, so it's just the nature of that siren, unfortunately. So this is going to wind down significantly longer than the DHTT. Nevertheless, the pitches are tuned very well, and they should harmonize perfectly. So without further wait, happy 8/12 day. That's all. I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys stay creative.